In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw straight lines. Whether you're working in a design app, a whiteboard tool, or a simple editor, the process is nearly the same, and once you understand it, you'll be able to create clean, precise lines every time. First, go to the drawing area. This is usually called the Draw Workspace, Canvas, or Drawing mode. You want to be in the part of your app where you can create shapes on a blank or existing page. If there's a toolbar, make sure you're in the section that enables drawing rather than typing or selecting. You should see a clear canvas where your line will appear. Next, select a line from the Shapes. Look for the Shapes or Insert Shapes menu in your toolbar. Inside that menu, you'll find the Straight Line tool, often shown as a diagonal slash icon. This is different from a freehand pencil or brush. The Line tool creates a perfectly straight segment between a starting point and an endpoint, which gives you crisp edges and consistent geometry. If your app offers several types of lines, like arrows or curved connectors, choose the simple straight line option for a basic result. Once selected, your cursor usually changes to indicate you're ready to draw. Now click and then drag on the canvas to place your line. Position your cursor where you want the line to begin and click to anchor the start point. Without releasing the mouse or trackpad, drag in the direction you want the line to go. As you drag, you'll see the line preview stretch from the start point to wherever your cursor moves. Keep your movement steady to define the exact length and angle you want. When it looks right, release the mouse or trackpad to set the endpoint and finalize the line. A few quick pointers can make this even smoother. Many tools show subtle guides or angle indicators as you drag, helping you keep the line level or at a consistent angle. If your app supports it, holding a modifier key can snap the line to common angles like horizontal, vertical, or 45 degrees, which is great for tidy layouts. If you're using a stylus or touch device, the same idea applies. Tap to start, drag to set the direction and length, then lift to finish. And if the line doesn't land exactly where you wanted, use undo and try again. Small adjustments make a big difference. That's it. Go to Draw, select the line from Shapes, then click and drag. With a little practice, you'll place straight, accurate lines with confidence in any project.